Welcome to the Santarelli Trading Exchange. So, what is the Santarelli Exchange, TSE? Stock option trade alert and educational service, live trade room with TSE employees full of experienced traders, quality trades versus quantity of trades, a great team here to help you reach your goals and make you a better trader, archive of videos for levels of all traders, and demonstrated profitability in bullish and bearish markets. So, what does the TSE membership get you? You get live trade alerts via text and email, access to a live trading room with expert traders, training videos designed to make you a better trader, help getting started trading, live classes, how to navigate the TSE website. The Santarelli Exchange is designed to make you a better trader, no matter the amount of experience you have. Know how to use our site and service and learn before you earn. Here's our website, and this is how to use it. How to access the Market News tab. Just go to TSE, thesantarelliexchange.com, and click on Market News. This section of the website is where I post all of our Word documents, some of our videos that I have, and this is where I post articles and research that I feel are important to traders. Market News tab. These are news and alerts about TSE, and like I just showed you, you could click there to access. How to get to the educational video archive. You simply go to the santarelliexchange.com, click on the click on videos, educational videos archive. Videos for all ranges of traders, designed to help you become a better trader. And there's more videos on our company's YouTube channel, the Santarelli Trading Exchange. How to access the trade feed. Simple. You go to the santarelliexchange.com, click on trade feed, and here, this is the most important part of the Santarelli Exchange. And we're going to go over this in the next slide here. But as you see, this is where you can see all opened and closed trades and our description of the trades, our strike prices, our expiration dates, and the orders, and the entry prices, and what the stock was at when we purchased this order. So trade feed, like I said, this is the most important section of the site. Open and closed trades, trade history. Never buy into trades older than 1 day, as prices and news can change options drastically. How to access the performance page. You click on performance in red, and this will take you to the performance page. As you see here, this is going to be on the next slide, but I'll go over it here once again. You see for the month of November, we have a 6.85% gain. How that is calculated is by adding or subtracting the winners and losers and dividing by the number of trades per month. The performance page. This page shows the monthly performance for all of the trades we have made on a monthly basis. Below each month are the individual trades for that month and their profit or loss. The average gain or loss per month is by adding all trades and dividing by the number of trades in that month. That makes us very honest and transparent, which is what we strive for. Accessing the live trade room. Again, it's simple. If you're a member of the Santarelli Exchange, you go to our homepage and you click on Live Trading Room. When you click on this site, it will take you to the Live Trade Room. And here you'll see on a daily basis, we post charts, trade ideas, and we analyze them for members. And we show possible trade ideas with possible entries and exits. We also go over educational topics to help members, and much more on this next slide you'll see. So the live trading room. It's open Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. We always have TSE employees there to help you during these times. We share live trade ideas and charts. We analyze charts and find entry and exit signals. We teach you what to look for during the trading day and how to use that information to make trades. It's designed to help you connect with other traders in real time. Quick answers to your questions, and experts there to assist you in any way they can. And you can share ideas with other traders. So, what types of trades do we do at the Santarelli Exchange? We trade calls. Here's an example of a long call. We trade puts. Here's an example of a long put. We trade call spreads. Here's an example of a bull call spread. We trade put spreads, which is the opposite of a call spread. And here's an example of a bull put spread versus a bull call spread. And occasionally we trade straddles, which here's an example of a long straddle. A straddle is a great directional trade, which you're not sure if the stock's going to go up or down, but you know or have a feeling that the stock's going to make a large move in either direction, and a straddle is the best trade to make for that particular instance. So how do our trade alerts work? You will receive an email and text message when a trade is made. In each trade alert, you will receive trade details on how the trade was made and at what price and what type of trade it was. Like I said, we have 3 types of trades. You can check our trade plan on how we exit our trades. Usually we always have a 50% stop loss, no more. All trades open and closed are available on the trade feed tab on TSE website. We say you shouldn't buy trades over 24 hours old as prices change drastically, and so does the news. All official trade alerts last a minimum of 2 days, unless it's just a text alert for a day trade, and that is not an official trade. An official trade will be a trade that you get an email, text, and also posted on the trade feed website. So if you just get a text alert, it will most likely say this is a day trade and we'll be out of this by that day. Example of trade alerts. So here is, I tried to pull up on my phone, but I didn't have any. This is straight from the website, the administration side, but here are the text messages. You see here on October 16th, we were buying Facebook's spread for the October 20th expiration. And here is the same email for that text alert. And this came at somewhere around 9 o'clock in the morning, 9:30 in the morning. And this was a weekly paycheck trade on Facebook. And this was a call spread. And we were buying the 172.50, 175 call spread for the October 20th expiration. And this ended up making a max profit. Here's an example on the trade feed. You see a weekly paycheck trade on Amazon. This made 105% return. And this was a weekly paycheck trade. The second trade below that, this was a momentum trade on STX. This was just regular calls. And this made us an 82% return. Again, the one above that, that was an Amazon weekly paycheck trade. That was a spread. It has 2 orders. You see the buy to open and the sell to open. Our 3 types of trade alerts, and this is important. Our 3 types of trade alerts consist of a weekly paycheck trade. These seem to be members' favorite types of trades, as with these we are buying in the money spreads or calls that we feel are below support levels, which in turn we feel carry lower than normal risk with moderate to high reward. These types of trades, we are looking for a minimum of a 35 to 80% returns, but that could change. And as I said, on the trade details, when you get a trade alert, in the emails, they will tell you specifics about that trade. The second type of trade alert is a breakout, momentum, or hook pattern trade. These are all momentum type of trades. These are trades that are showing signs of momentum in either direction and have large moves and increased volatility. These types of trades can make large returns of over 100% or more in a relatively quick period of time if they continue to go in our favor. These types of trades we feel carry moderate risk with large potential reward. The third type of trade. This is the highest risk trade. And I always tell members that are new to TSE or the ones that have smaller accounts, you should stay away from these types of trades as they're the highest risk. These are spec trades, also known as speculation trades. These types of trades are what we feel are the highest risk reward types of trades that either they're an earnings trade or an event trade or a piggyback trade. These are the types of trades that can make a 200 to 1,000% return, but also carry the risk of losing total investment, which is why we make small investments in these types of trades. Well, I personally do anyway. And disclaimer, this is just how I view my personal trades. I'm not a licensed stockbroker or financial advisor. You should find trades that work for you and can call them whatever you'd like to call them. These are my 3 types of trades I make to determine the amount of risk that I'm willing to make per trade. How we manage our trades. And this is important for new members, as you should view all of our Word documents, our videos, and our simple trading plans. Also, what I forgot to add on here is you should paper trade before you trade with real money. Paper trade your strategy, your trading plan. Make sure it works, it's profitable before you start trading real money. And in the links below, you can find every single one of our links to our trading plans, our videos, to our YouTube channel, to anything that was related into this video. How you can become a successful trader. First off, a trade plan. This is most important. You have to have a plan. If you just come into something not knowing what you're doing, you're going to fail. 90 to 95% of traders fail because they have no trade plan, they lack discipline, and they don't have patience. So these are the 3 things that are most important, in my view, of becoming a successful trader. Trading plan, discipline, and patience. Also, of course, what's most important, you wait for the right trade setups. Like I said earlier, we're a big fan of quality of trades versus quantity. If you can make 5 to 10 great trades per month that make higher rewards with lower risk, they're going to be better off than making 30 trades a month that you have half winners and half losers. So wait for the right trade setups. And again, the TSE and in our videos, we show you how to find the right trade setups. And that's through support and resistance levels, using tools and indicators like RSI, Relative Strength Index, MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, and using simple tools, oscillators like Bollinger Bands, and other tools out there, which we do go over and help you with daily in the trade room, as well as the videos that are on our YouTube channel or website. Classes. Are you still having trouble? If you're new to options, you probably are, unless you've spoken with me, because I usually make things pretty easy to understand. So we do have classes, and if you attend all the live informational classes, all classes are based on recommendations by TSE members. So come to me with a topic or a problem you have that you'd like me to cover in the next week's educational video, the live class I mean. If you still need help after the classes, one-on-one time can be scheduled, depending on the availability of my schedule. Each member can get up to 30 minutes of one-on-one time, then additional time may be purchased. Thank you for your time and welcome aboard the Santarelli Trading Exchange. Team TSE, welcome.